Some mornings I wake up and I just feel so heavy, anxious for no reason. I don't want to move and I just want to stay under the blanket and scroll on my phone. But every time I do that, the whole day feels off. But recently, I've been trying something new. I don't do this every day, and it's not perfect. But whenever I try this, even roughly, it changes the whole day for me. I started noticing a pattern. There is one thing that almost guarantees an anxious morning for me: snoozing my alarm and grabbing my phone. The moment the phone is in my hand, it's over. I scroll, I feel overwhelmed, and suddenly I feel like I'm already behind before the day even started. I tried doing long meditations in the morning, didn't stick. Tried planning my whole day in the morning, felt rushed. Tried stretching, journaling, all that. But honestly, I always felt like I was chasing the clock, like I was trying to fix the morning inside the morning. Then it hit me. The problem wasn't my mornings. It was the night before. I was waking up unprepared and then expecting myself to make perfect decisions while I'm still half asleep. No wonder it felt chaotic. So now, before bed, not every night, but most nights, I do something super simple. I open my phone and write down 3 things I want to do the next day. Just 3 things. No big goals, just the things I actually want to get done. Then I decide one thing for the morning. Maybe stretches, maybe a short walk, or maybe reading. And I set everything up. Clothes ready, water ready, and my bag is ready, lunch is packed. Basically, whatever it is, I make the morning easy for half asleep me. This reduces 80% of the friction in the morning, and that means I have less things to decide. And when I have less things to decide in the morning, that means I have less anxiety in the morning, and less anxiety means I have more energy for the day to come. So this is how my morning goes in those days when I'm anxious. It's not going to be perfect, and it's not always, but when I do this, it helps me reset the day. First thing, I drink water. It wakes me up instantly. Then bathroom, wash my face with cold water, and that cold water hits different when you're anxious. Then I do a few stretches, nothing fancy, just moving the body a bit so I don't feel stuck in my head. After that, I open the notes I wrote last night and look at my 3 things. I'm not trying to be super productive, it just gives me direction, and that alone calms me down. What surprised me is how much it made me calmer when I didn't have to make decisions immediately when I woke up. When the morning is already planned, I feel a lot calmer, and it's like the version of me from the last night left a little gift for me for the morning. And look, I'm not perfect, and I still sleep in, I still pick up the phone in the morning, and I still press the snooze button. But whenever I follow this one simple rule, preparing the night before, it drops the morning anxiety by a lot. So if you're like me and you wake up in the morning with anxiety for no reason, try this and see how it feels. Just 3 things. Don't try to fix the morning in the morning. Try to fix it the night before. It's surprising how much one small thing can change your whole day. If you want more routine ideas, calming ideas, let me know in the comments and I will try to create more content around these. I hope you will feel better tomorrow morning.